On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
So what we're testing today in Cheezy's garage is a LOKITHOR JA3000 as a LiFePO4 battery with 57.6 watt hours, 3000 peak power boost, and 1500 start continuous. The air compressor side of it, you can adjust from 10 to 150 pounds, and it claims 40 liters per minute output. This unit can be used as a power supply unit. The USB-A output is 18 watts, and the USB-C output is 60 watts. So you get the super fast charge on an Android phone. And it's a 1 hour charge from a dead battery with a 3 amp input. Has a 400 lumen flashlight too. And of course, nozzles to fill up your balls.
That's what she said.
Oh, no, not that. Just come on.
Got a little bit of weight to it. So when a unit is off, which you hold to turn it off, and you want to put the light on, that comes back on. Hold the power to turn the light on. Fast flash, slow flash, and off. Now, this isn't really a real dark section of my garage, but this light is actually pretty bright. This thing be great to keep in a car for emergencies. I have bar, PSI, then change it. You go up and down here. To start it, you hold the pump button. Touch it to shut it off. Here you have your jumper cable connection. And here you have your charge and output connections. This is where you connect your hose. And that's it. It's pretty simple. So let's charge this up fully and then we'll put it to the test. During the charge process, it has 4 bars. So when those 4 bars are done, you're full. So the jumper cable length, about 16 inches plugged in. Air hose length is almost 2 feet long. So let's go over to manual while that's charging. To power up the jump starter, turn on a light or power button. And normal start, connect the positive and negative, press the light or power button, and it will jump start it. But this has a feature where if you have less than 1 volt and you want to force it, and it's great when they have this feature, that you can force it to bypass the safety circuit so you can energize enough for it to come on and do a boost for you. Tap and hold the bar PSI button for 5 seconds and it'll put it into the forced start method. So that's a nice feature to have. Air Inflator function we'll go over. LED light we went over. How to charge we are doing now. You can use the USB-A port 5 volt to charge your mobile phone or other devices. So this does support 9 volt 2 amp fast charge and QC protocol. Here's the error codes if you run across them. This comes with a 12-month limited warranty. Here are the actual specifications of the unit. We are fully charged. So looks like 30 pounds for the front and 30 pounds for the rear on this Fiero. So I have 26 in there now. I want to set it to 30. And I'm going to let the air out of this tire. It's a 215/60 R 15-inch tire. Tire is flat. Set at 30. And we'll start the timer. Alright, we're at 30. These always pump a little past, so when they stop, they're on 30, of course. That wasn't too bad. Great emergency devices. Let's check the front tire. The front tire's at 27, so I guess we'll top it off. And you notice the battery bar hasn't moved. That's because this has the better battery, the LiFePO4. Geez, this one's at 22. Now for the last tire, let's see what this is at. I finally heard a fan kick on. It's got a built-in cooling fan. So this one's at 25. Of course, running your tires at proper air pressure, at least not low air pressure, gives you better fuel mileage. I like the handle. Fan's running a little bit more now. Keep the battery and components cool. That's a good feature. It's pretty good. I like it. Nice and lightweight. Comes in a nice little bag for the accessories, but not for this unit. Let's take off the air hose. So let's see, USB-C connector. Should be a 60 watt super fast charge. There it is, super fast charging. That's an awesome feature to have. And then the USB-A is an 18 watt fast charge. Indeed. So that works good. Let's go charge it up before we do our jump pack test. And this says it'll take 60 watt input charge, USB-C, so that's another pretty nice feature. Got a little soft grip there. It's actually a nice quality build. Looks like it's got these absorbers, so if you drop it. So to do the boost bypass, if your battery's too dead for this to sense it, hold that PSI bar button 6 seconds. I just wanted to test that feature before I went outside in 30-degree weather. Put the throttle up a little. And the heater, sometimes it works. Let's hook it up. Yeah, it's showing the voltage. So it's giving it a little boost. Huh, you can definitely hear the difference. Turn the key to the left and see if that green light goes on. Feels like they're warming up though. Aha! The old Kubota! All reliable. Looks pretty good. It's nice because that has a voltage gauge on it too, so you can see when it's up above in like 13 volts and then try it, you know. I was trying to force boost it, but I didn't need to. That's pretty good because it gives it a little jump. Yeah. Usually you have to hit the boost feature. The charging circuit's working. So that's not kicking on anymore, and it's 13.8. This thing works nice. This works 10 times better than this ever did, even when it was brand new, because it puts more voltage in than a 12-volt battery. Even though that says 7,000 amps, fully charged, you're lucky to get almost 13 volts. This is designed to give more voltage. Not to mention, that thing weighs a ton compared to this. I like these little jump packs. I'll never go back to this thing.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.